I want to look cute, but I can't because I know what it's like to have to scrape my knee growing up and everything. I feel like I'm yelling. Tiring. So me wanting, I wish I could be like these aesthetic girls, with the tight pants and the tight t-shirts. But in reality, I value my skin. So I have a Raven jacket. I got it like on a size 10. I got it pretty big because when it gets cold, you layer, and I want to be able to wear this even when I'm cold and carry like 20 pounds of shit. Hold on, el rookie. Look how sweaty I am. It's like so hot outside. Can you tell here? Look at that. So, oh my god. Any hoodie. Yeah, I have a Raven jacket. It's like usually like $200. So I just kind of bit the bullet and bought one. I like that because it's heavy, but it's also like airy. The only thing is like you have to wear like a long sleeve underneath it because it has like this meshy thing on the inside. And if you have sensitive skin like me, you are gonna suffer. Let me take all this other stuff off. Hold on. I'm gonna take out my glasses. I think my cardle is no longer connected. Full. It's full because I don't use it. I haven't been taking my bike out since I am unemployed and don't have the chance to spend money like that, especially with this economy. I also have like my riding shoes. They are built riding shoes. I love them. They're like high tops, and I replaced it comes with like black or white laces, but I just went ahead and replaced them with like these pink reflective laces. Like I don't have a flash down on me, but the gray there is reflective whenever um whenever it gets hit by light. And of course, I didn't want to do compression socks today because I wore some yesterday and I didn't feel like putting them on. I felt like the longer I take to get ready, the less likely I'm gonna want to take out my bike. Especially since I just had to do like 2 quick errands, like get my resume printed for a job interview. First of all, who asks for a printed resume anymore? But I was like, I digress. Doesn't matter. And I have some leggings, and they're all sweaty because it's really hot outside. It's like very humid. The pants, they're from Goodwill. My mom was the one that picked them out. She's like, "Oh my god, they look so cute on you when you're riding your bike." But yeah, I look so skinny. I didn't realize how skinny I was until recently that I had to weigh myself for like a paperwork thing. I used to weigh between, like, my weight used to fluctuate between like 185 and 200. But when I weighed myself, I was like 163. I was like, what the fuck? But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. Indy, you want to say anything? Do you want to say anything? Hi. She doesn't like it when I leave her. Bye.